to you, new business owners, and those of you who are thinking of starting one. I'm Meredith from Webnode's Watch and Learn. First off, I salute you that you've taken the life-changing challenge to build your own business. Respect. You've probably searched how to create your business plan and figured it can be quite a daunting subject. You may be overwhelmed, not knowing which information to choose from. You might be slightly intimidated, thinking, I don't have the skills, or why do I even need this? If it all feels like summiting Mount Everest you'll never be able to climb, you are not alone. We're here to give you 5 reasons that will motivate you to truly get started on making a business plan that works for you. At this point, you've probably done some calculations and have an idea of how to make your business profitable. But while writing it all down, you may have noticed a few things you forgot or can improve and develop. You see, your business plan can help you realize your full potential. For example, it gives you an idea of how to size your business correctly and focus on the best sides of it. With a ready-made business plan, you can easily see what your main income source is and what your expected expenses will be. It can also reveal what it would take to make some other parts of your business thrive. A business plan can be a good tool for human resources as well. It can aid you in recruiting the right team with the required skills so that you can work more efficiently and get the best possible outcome. So, it's good to think of your business plan as an overview, clarifying your areas of growth and improvements to help you in the future. In life, things do not always go as planned. Surprises happen. In a case like this, remember that your business plan is your guide that can be tweaked to new situations. Let's say your new competitor is rising in the market, or material costs of your products are increasing. Getting back to your business plan will help you balance these changes or find new alternatives. If you've done your business plan well in the beginning, it'll be a foundation for you to overcome challenges in the future. Your business plan is the first step in making your dream become a reality. Once you have it ready, it's no longer just an idea in your head. You have something concrete. The business plan makes you credible, and a defined business plan will bring trust. With your business plan, you'll have something to present. This is extremely important in many ways as it can help you bring in investors, business partners, and even your first employees. Your business plan shows not only to you but to others that you are truly ready for a business and a trustworthy partner to cooperate with. One thing you'll need when running your business is support. Once you've made your business plan, it can provide you with exactly that. In times of doubt, the business plan will give you the facts to help you remain confident and convinced that what you do makes sense. Think of your business plan as a reality check. It shows what you do and why, and how things can be improved in the future. The business plan will also motivate you to stick to your original goals, and this might prove to be very valuable in times of doubt. A well-thought-out plan can lastly remind you how unique you are and how your business differs from your competitors. It represents you, your values, and your vision. While watching this, you might have realized that, yeah, I've already thought of that. See? You've already begun. You are in the process, and now it's all about continuing your journey and writing it down. For this, Webnode has created a simple 6-step guide including a business plan template for you, and you can find the guide in the link here. I hope we gave you some new perspectives on how a well-thought-out business plan can help you and your business. Thanks for watching Webnode's Watch and Learn. Webnode is an online website and e-shop builder that lets you easily create your own site within a matter of minutes. So if your business still needs to boost its online presence, remember to check out the link in the description. Please subscribe, and we hope to see you again on this channel with more content about starting your own business.